Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the KKTICK Tank T5. And this smartwatch do have 4 GB of storage space. And with this storage space, the smartwatch do have a support for picture gallery, meaning you can send or transfer images, photos directly here in the smartwatch, and of course view it here directly. Okay, so it is a very cool functionality that is not available in other smartwatches. So we will have a demo of this feature. Let's see if we can send photos here on the wearable, and of course let's see if we can view it here directly. So if you are interested on this wearable, or you want a smartwatch with a photo gallery, watch this video as we will have a demo of its smart features, the photo gallery for our KKTICK Tank T5. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, and of course like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the picture gallery or photo gallery for our Tank T5. We are already paired with the WearJoy application. As you can see here, we are connected. If you want to transfer photos, you need the support app. Okay, picture. Then if you want to add, as you can see here, please add more pictures in the app. All you have to do is just go to the support app, tap on transfer images, then tap on the plus sign here. We have, you can take photos or select from the album. So we'll select from the album. So let's transfer this one. Then check. Sync to watch. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Let's wait and let's see if we do have a successful transfer of photos in the smartwatch. Okay, upload is finished or download is finished. Let's check. Let's go to the picture gallery. Picture. So where is our photo? So this is our image or photo. Let's have another one. Go back, transfer images, tap on a plus sign, select from the album. Let's have this one. Then check. Sync to watch. Let's wait for the downloading to complete. And we have successfully transferred the image. Let's see it here in the smartwatch. So we have the picture, and we have here the Iron Man graphic. Nice. So far, very easy to do, very easy to transfer photos, and you can store a lot of images on the smartwatch with its 4 GB of storage space. Very cool feature for our Tank T5. Only few smartwatches in the affordable category with this functionality. Okay, beautiful design loaded with features. It is the KKTICK Tank T5. If you have any questions regarding this wearable, drop a comment below, And of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.